You're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to Tarron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. If today is the first time of seeing my channel, do well by subscribing. All you need to do is click on the red subscribe button, and also there's a bell beside the subscribe button. Click on it so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. All right, and if you're yet to like the video, click the thumbs up. It's very, very important. All right, so liking the video is very, very important. I beg you, because let's assume that I have about 1,000 views and then only 100 people liked it. You're telling YouTube that only 100 people liked the video, only 100 people loved the video. But if I have 1,000 views and I'm able to get 1,000 likes, so you're telling YouTube that you all liked the video. So, and then this will make the video to go viral. It will make others that are also looking for this same kind of content to be able to come across it. So I beg you, please like the videos. If you're watching from other content creators, to please always like their videos. It's very, very important. Okay, so because if you don't like it, YouTube will just push it aside because you're telling them that the video is not important to you. All right, that is by the way. All right, so let's get into today's video. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make another beautiful purse. All right, so now this is the material I'm using. All right, so I'm using a leather material, so you can see it, and the measurement is 9.2 inches by 14.1 inches. 9.2 by 14.1 inches. Okay, so now, and then I'll be using my zip cloth. Okay, I'm going to be using this zip cloth, multicolored zip cloth, and then of course, you know, I'm going to use zip head. Okay, so this is my zip head, and then what again? I think that is all for now. If there's any other thing that we'll be using, I'll let you know. All right, so let's get into the detail of the video. The first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be fixing my zip cloth. Okay, so this is the right side of my material, and then this is the right side of my zip cloth. So I'm going to allow my right side to face the right side of the bag, meaning that I'm top stitching on the wrong side, and then I'll leave a little, you know, zip head. Okay, that's, I'm going to leave it outside so that that one will be for the fixing of the zip head. All right, so we are currently running an 8 weeks online training whereby you become a professional bag maker, a profitable one at that. Okay, so now by July, by the end of August, we'll be starting another one. So I will encourage you to register for it. It's just for 10,000 naira. So you can call or WhatsApp me on 080 365 88365. All right, so let's continue with our video. So after this, the next thing is I'm going to fold it like this and top stitch it. All right. I also come here. All right, so this is still the wrong side, right? So I'm top stitching on the wrong side. So you bend it this way and top stitch it. Now, in the training I organize, okay, so I start from the scratch. It will be like you going for a physical training, because from machine peddling, that is how to match machine. Everything is inclusive in the online tutorial. Okay, so it's very, very important and very affordable, very cheap. at just 10,000 naira. So if you're interested, you can still pay ahead of time. So the training will be starting in August by the grace of God. All right, so we're done with this. So the next thing is to fix my zip head. So this is what I'm going to do. Okay, look at this. I'm going to measure about, this is 2 inches. Okay, but let me just see. Yes, you can measure 2 inches. Okay, then this one side will be should be more than the other side. This is the style of the purse I want to actually make. So I'm going to be fixing my zip head. I'll first use it to warm the zip cloth. Okay. All right. So I can now cut off the excess zip. I'm going to turn it inside out. So if you would like me to show you the one with lining, you can comment in the comment section. All right, please don't forget to comment in the comment section. It's very, very important. Very, very important to comment. I said 2 inches, right? All right. See what I have. I'll also come to this side. You can decide to measure it again to be sure that it's 2 inches. Okay. Yeah. So, all right. So our purse bag is ready. Now, if I want to, if I feel that this is not, so now this is a typical souvenir purse. All right. So I can decide to leave it this way, or then I can decide to use my belt to just cover this rough edges. But for this particular video, we're done with, our purse is ready. Like this. So you bring it out. So you use your hand to just bring out the shapes, the angles. Okay? Or you can use anything that can help you. Let me try using the scissors. All right, so this is what we have. So this can serve as a makeup bag. This can serve as an outing purse. So this can serve many purposes. Okay. So if you like this video and if it's helpful to you, I would like you to like the video by clicking the like button. All right, comment in the comment section. All right, and then do not forget to share this video with your friends. Share with friends. All right, but do not use it for any commercial use. What I mean by commercial use is do not use my video for any, like, organizing personal tutorial for yourself. No, it's not allowed. Anybody that wants to learn is free. Let the person come to the channel, share the video with your friends so that they can also come to the channel and learn. All right, so thank you so much for staying to the end. See you in my next video. Bye for now.